Meta just released its new AI model, Llama 4, and it's already been called a serious rival to GPT-4 and Gemini. But what makes it different? Why is the AI world so hyped? Let's break it down. Llama 4 stands for Large Language Model Meta AI version 4. It's the latest open-source model from Meta, designed to understand and generate human-like text with high accuracy. This model is trained on massive amounts of data and fine-tuned to perform a wide range of tasks like answering questions, coding, and solving math problems. Llama 4 is fully open source. Developers around the world can use, modify, and improve it freely. Early benchmarks show that Llama 4 performs on par with GPT-4 Turbo in many areas. In some reasoning and logic-based tasks, it performs better. It also competes closely with Gemini 1.5, Google's top model. Llama 4 is optimized to run faster and on lower-end hardware compared to other large models. It's powerful and accessible. Llama 4 is already being adopted quickly by developers. It allows full customization, which means startups, researchers, and AI companies can build on top of it without starting from scratch. It encourages faster innovation because the community can find bugs, improve performance, and create new tools around it. This is a big contrast to models like GPT-4, where developers have to rely only on APIs. Meta has confirmed that a multimodal version of Llama is coming soon. The model will be able to process images and text together just like GPT-4 with vision. There's also talk of smaller Llama models for mobile and edge devices, which could make smart apps much faster and more private. Meta's goal is to make AI powerful, open, and widely available. Llama 4 is more than just another AI model. It's a bold move in the open-source AI race. With top-tier performance, open access, and big plans for the future, it's no wonder people are calling it a game-changer. Will Llama 4 replace GPT-4 as the go-to AI? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more from Next Gen AI.